Colin from KC Tool here with an overview of the Smart and eSmart systems from Felo. First, the Smart handle. If a screwdriver and a T-handle had a crazy love child, it would be the Smart handle from Felo. It looks like just a standard blade holding screwdriver handle, but with just a push up, it swings out and becomes a T-handle. Sometimes you need the comfort of a screwdriver and sometimes you need the extra torque of a T-handle. This puts both of them at your fingertips. The eSmart system is smart in a different way. Where the Smart handle transitions seamlessly from a screwdriver to a T-handle, the eSmart system transitions from a precision screwdriver to a full-size one. When the cap is placed on a Smart blade, you have a precision screwdriver with the rotating cap. But you can take that cap off and just stick it into the handle, and now you've got a full-size screwdriver. And since it is an insulated tool, it's perfect for the electrician who needs to adapt to a ton of different situations. You can purchase both Smart systems in a variety of sets, but you can also purchase the blades and the handles separately to build your own perfect set. And of course, I don't have to tell you that the best place to buy the Felo Smart systems are at kctoolco.com. We publish content regularly, so subscribe to the KC Tool YouTube channel and like this video. We will see you next time.